All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So over, over. Something has finished. Yeah. The party is over. When will it be over? Oh, perfect. The party is over, yeah. Their ride was over quickly. The meeting was over in 5 minutes. Yeah. Definitely. She jumped over the edge. Over something. To go over something. She jumped over the gap. Yeah. The race would soon be over. It would be finished. How cool is that? Yeah, definitely. I am jumping over the wall. Yeah. How are we going to get over the wall? Yeah. The event will be over soon. We should climb over the next obstacle. It will be over in 5 minutes, so we don't have long to get over it. Yeah. Eventually, all these videos will be over and uploaded. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use over in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.